Imagine a season where every bite you take not only warms your soul, but also boosts your health. Welcome to fall, where nature's bounty aligns perfectly with our body's needs. As the weather shifts from summer's heat to winter's chill, our nutritional needs change too. Embracing seasonal foods can significantly enhance our well-being. Pumpkin, a fall favorite, is loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for immune function and eye health. Plus, its fiber content promotes digestion and regulates blood sugar. Apples, packed with fiber and vitamin C, are not just delicious but also vital for immune health and digestion. Their antioxidants combat inflammation and support heart health. Sweet potatoes, rich in vitamins A and C, support immunity and skin health. Their complex carbs provide sustained energy, making them perfect for hearty fall dishes. Brussels sprouts, with their high vitamin K and C content, support bone health and immunity. Their fiber aids digestion, and antioxidants reduce inflammation. Pears offer dietary fiber for gut health and antioxidants like vitamin C to protect against oxidative stress, making them a refreshing fall snack. Cranberries, known for preventing urinary tract infections, also promote heart health by improving cholesterol levels. They're a nutritious addition to fall dishes. Butternut squash, packed with vitamin A and fiber, supports vision, immune health, and digestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate joint discomfort. Incorporate these nutrient-dense foods into your fall diet to boost your health and prepare your body for the colder months ahead. Stay healthy, stay vibrant.